Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with quite an interesting question. With that in mind, let's dive straight in. So they've said to us, consider the product 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times all the way up to times 30. And they've said to us, determine the largest value of k such that 3 to the k is a factor of this product. So what we need to first do is understand which of these numbers within the product are divisible by 3. And then we need to figure out how many factors of 3 go into each of those. So essentially, we're going to create a product of prime factors for each of them. All right, with that in mind, let's get straight into this one. So what are the numbers that are divisible by 3 in this product? Well, let's start off with the basics. Let's look at the multiples of 3. So multiples of 3 here are going to be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Now what we're going to do is we're going to write each of these as product of prime factors. Now 3 we know is already as simple as it can get, so 3 to the 1. 6 we know we can write it as 2 times 3 to the 1. Then 9 we know we can write it as 3 squared. 12, what can we write 12 as? That's going to be 2 times 2 is 4, so 2 squared times 3. 15 we can write as 3 times 5. Then 18 is going to be 3 squared times 2. Then 21 is going to be 3 times 7. So that's a product of prime. 24, how would we write that one? So that one's going to be 3 times 2 cubed. 27, how would we write that one? Well, that's going to be 3 times 3 times 3, which is 3 cubed. And then finally, we've got 30, which is going to be 5 times 2 times 3. Okay, so now we've got all of these. Now let's isolate our 3's. So we've got one over there, and we've got one over there, we've got one over there, 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 and finally we've got that one. Now let's count up our exponents. Let's count up our exponents. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14. So that would mean 3 to the k, where k is the highest factor that can possibly go into this product, k would be 14. So therefore, k is equal to 14. All right, so the trick here is to find all of the numbers that are divisible by 3 in the product, and then find the number of factors that can go into those of 3, and count up all of the exponents of the factors of 3 that go into each of those numbers, and that would be a number that can perfectly go into that, perfectly divide into our overall product, which will give us the highest possible number for k, such that 3k can divide the product perfectly with no remainders. Thank you so much to our sponsors for making this video possible. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.